Do you have a creative or crafty person on your Christmas list this year? Whether she or he be young or old, I've got some great ideas to share with you. So come along with me to Walmart and I'm going to share some of my favorites. Don't worry about finding all these on the website because I've got the clickable links down below. These are some of my tried and true favorites. I've been in the craft industry for over 30 years and I know a good bargain and a cool supply when I see it. I've got stocking stuffers and cool things for kids too. All right, let's head into Walmart.
Let's start with the classic sewing scissor. This is the Fiskars brand. I love the 8-inch blade there. This is a great little beginner crochet kit, perfect for anyone wanting to get started. If you have a sewer, this is a great mini iron. I love this mini iron. For people who do quilting or want to get into quilting, this is a pretty cool kit with 5 different tools. It's got everything that you really need to get started, including the cutting squares. Thread makes a great stocking stuffer for any crafter or sewer. You can also pick up embroidery floss. They've got a large selection of pins and coloring pencils as well. These King Art sets are great and I love my Prismacolors. Look at these 4 different sets that they have featured here. Watercolors are a really fun stocking stuffer for young and old. Tie-dye kits are perfect for teens, and of course you can never go wrong with Mod Podge. Apple barrel paints are one of my favorite paints for crafts. These are a really fun stocking stuffer, and they also have some variety packs. These color change markers are going to be a hit with Santa Claus this year. You get 8 markers, but you can make 24 different colors. Crayola features a lot of different types of light up boards and easels. All 3 featured here are very cool. I love this traditional just plain wood easel, but they also have something that's a little bit next level, this projector easel. And these are all from Crayola here. It moves around a lot. It's got adjustable height, as you can see, and it's dry erase. It's got magnetic. It's got a projector in there. Pretty cool. Perler beads. I love this jumbo set. This thing's got 4,000 beads and a pegboard. Pony beads you can't go wrong with. And of course, shout out to our friendship bracelet makers. Look at all these alphabet beads, perfect for a stocking.
Thanks so much for shopping along with me. Make sure you leave a comment and let me know what is your favorite supply that I featured today. I'll be back here next week with another fun project or shopping journey to share with you. And until then, have a super creative week. Bye.